who are completely confused about choosing a major or completely confused about what to do after 12th. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Punjabi Girl Vlogs. I hope you're all staying safe and enjoying your first few days of 2021. My name is Harleen and I'm currently in University of Waterloo in 4th year, just about to graduate. I'm so excited. Well, in this video, I'm going to be talking about why and how I switched from PCM when I completed my grade 12 in PCM, and now currently I'm doing economics as my major with minor in mathematics. First, let me give you a little background about myself. I completed my grade 12 in PCM with CBSE board. PCM, that's physics, chemistry, and math. So I didn't have any economics or accounting courses when I was back in India. And when I came here, I started my university with geomatics as my major. Geomatics is basically geography and computer science. That was my major when I started university. But now I am currently in economics with minor in mathematics and specialization in finance. I get asked this question so many times that how I switched to economics, or why did I choose economics, why not engineering, why not computer science. Well, in this video I'm going to be telling that, and this video will be really useful for students who are completely confused about choosing a major or completely confused about what to do after 12th, whether they should be choosing engineering, maths, psychology, arts. This will be useful for you, so please make sure that you watch the entire video, and if you like it, please do like the video. Well, as I told you, I completed my 12th in PCM and then I started my university in geomatics. After my first year, I realized that geomatics was a really narrow field. There weren't that many jobs as I expected, so I thought that this is not something that I want to do for next 30 years. I don't want to work as a geomatics major. Then I talked to my advisor. Why I'm telling you this is because when you come here to Canada, you will get assigned to an advisor by your school who you can always talk to whenever you have any problem related to your studies or just in general. So I talked to my advisor and I was like, I'm not interested in this program. I want to choose a different major. I know in India, students who do PCM usually have this option of doing engineering. बहुत सारे students PCM करते हैं, we do BTech, MTech. But in Canada, there are a lot more options. Like, I never thought about the majors that exist in Canada. I researched a little and then I realized that maybe I could do maths and economics. But I didn't have any courses in economics in grade 10 or grade 11 or 12. So I talked to my advisor. There's this thing called internal transfer. What that means is you can switch from one major to another major within that university. So for internal transfer, you might require additional credits. In my case, my advisor suggested that if I take 2 courses in economics in this semester, and then I scored above 80%, I could easily switch to economics. So ये तरीका मैंने बहुत easy लगा, instead कि मैं इंडिया ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ economics लिती ਹੁੰਦੀ ਤੇ फिर मैं this program ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ आंदी. So what I did, I just took 2 courses in economics, got above 80%, and then I switched my major. So why I'm telling you this is because that could be almost all colleges and universities offer that. You can always change your major here. Okay? For visa restrictions, I would really recommend that when you're in India, choose a major relevant to your program, relevant to your studies in 12th. Such as if you're in PCM, choose something that is relevant to PCM. If you're in PCB, choose something that's relevant to that so that you can get your visa approved. But once you come here, you can always talk to your advisor and change to a major that you are interested in. There is no extra fees in general, but they might tell you to take additional courses to fulfill the requirement. That way you are paying little more, but it's better if you change your major when you are studying rather than graduating फिर ਤੁਸੀਂ regret करो कि हाय मैं major नहीं change ਕੀਤਾ मैं ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ graduate ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ठीक है कि ਤੁਸੀਂ internal transfer कर सकते हो ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ if you don't like your program. Don't take me wrong, that switching from in arts to engineering could be really difficult. It's not really easy process. मतलब इतना easy नहीं हैगा जिन्ना मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ. It's not that easy process. Obviously there's some struggle involved. There are some requirements that you need to fulfill before you can switch. So keep that in mind. I'm not saying कि ਤੁਸੀਂ कुछ भी लेके आ जाओ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ आ के change कर लियो. It's not that easy process. It is little difficult, but it is possible. It is not impossible. Well, like genuine transfers are possible by transferring from psychology to engineering or transferring from idda switches could be really difficult. They might not allow you, but in my case I had mathematics, right? So switching from geomatics, that's computer science based program, to economics was reasonable and they did allow me. And why I chose economics? Because it was very it's more flexible. Like I can easily do minor in mathematics and specialization in finance. And with economics ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਹੁਤ options ਸੀਗੀਆਂ. ਮੈਂ analysis ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੀ ਸੀਗੀ, ਮੈਂ research ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੀ ਸੀਗੀ, right? And that actually worked. My previous co-op, I was working in a bank, but now I'm working in a tech company. So economics opened a lot more doors for me. So my tip for students who are coming to Canada for their post-secondary education is that, first of all, do not stress too much about choosing your major, and kisi de magar na lago, choose what interests you more. Because obviously ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ 'ਚ graduate नहीं होना चाहते ਜਿਹੜਾ which you are not passionate about. Choose something that you are really interested in. Second thing, when you're in India, choose something, if you're coming to Canada, choose a program that is relevant to your grade 11 and grade 12 studies, because that way you'll get your visa approved. Otherwise they could reject your visa. That's really common. Third thing, always talk to your advisor when you come here. Talk to your advisor if you're facing any kind of problem or if you want to switch your major. There's this thing called internal transfer, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ common ਹੈਗੀ ਇੱਥੇ schools ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, and a lot of students in their first year, second year, even third year students change their major in Canada. So it's a common thing. That in mind that I'm only talking about reasonable switches, not like something, as I mentioned, from arts to engineering, because engineering is really competitive and getting into engineering could be really difficult. I didn't choose engineering because I was already admitted to Waterloo, and Waterloo's engineering fees was way too high. So it was cut off from my list because बहुत fees सीगी, and my parents couldn't, like, I didn't want my parents to send me that much funds. But I'm really happy कि मैं अपना major switch कर लिया. किसी दे मगर नहीं लगी. I switched my major. Well, I hope this video was useful. Please let me know in the comment section what major you are choosing and why. I really want to know कि ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ major choose ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਕਿਉਂ. So ਮੈਨੂੰ please comment section ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੱਸਿਓ. And ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ video ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੀ ਤਾਂ please like ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ. I will be back with more such videos. Bye.